in Minnesota. The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Becker County in northwestern Minnesota until 8:45 p.m. At 8:01 p.m. a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Rochert, or near Detroit Lakes, moving east at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: Weather Spotters confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Toad Lake, Height of Land Lake, Osage, Wolf Lake, Rochert, Evergreen, and Midway. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.